Lights, camera, science! Good day everyone! Welcome to Science Talk, where we connect science to real life. I'm your host Angeline Bailon, and today we're talking about something that keeps us alive, biodiversity.
Wait, parang big word ah. Pero guys, promise, super importante nito. Like without biodiversity, wala tayong pagkain, hangin, and healthy life.
Exactly! Kaya today, we'll explore how biodiversity connects to a healthy society.
But first, let's welcome our experts.
Joining us today is our biodiversity expert
Hello everyone!
and our health and environment expert.
Hi, excited to be here.
Ayan na, ready nang matuto.
So let's start. What is biodiversity?
Biodiversity is the variety of all forms of life on Earth. Kasama dito ang plants, animals, fungi, microorganisms like bacteria, and even humans. Hindi lang ito tungkol sa dami, at may iba-ibang levels din ito.
Levels? Parang game lang ah!
Yes, and there are three types. First is species diversity. In here, different kinds of living organisms live in one area. Second is genetic diversity, in which variation within a species. Ibig sabihin, walang dalawang organism ang exactly the same, and this helps them adapt. Lastly, ecological diversity. Different ecosystems like forests, oceans, and deserts. All of these are connected. Kapag may nawala sa isa, maapektuhan ang buong system.
So parang teamwork, lahat may role.
Now, bakit importante ang biodiversity sa society natin?
Biodiversity is essential for a healthy society. First, it provides us with food. More biodiversity means more crops and pagkain. Second, it is important for medicine. Many drugs come from plants and animals. And third, it supports ecosystem that give us oxygen, clean water, and a stable climate.
So kahit simpleng pagkain or paghinga, connected sa biodiversity?
Yes, even plants act as producers, animals as consumers, and fungi and bacteria as decomposers, helping recycle nutrients. So without biodiversity, these natural processes would not work properly.
So kapag nawawala ang biodiversity, naapektuhan din ang health natin.
How about in the Philippines?
The Philippines is one of the 17 mega biodiverse countries in the world. Marami tayong endemic species, meaning native sila sa Pilipinas at dito lang sila matatagpuan.
So kapag wala sila dito, wala na sila sa buong mundo.
Yes. Examples are the Philippine eagle, tamaraw, and the rare plants waling-waling.
But here's the problem. What is happening today?
Medyo alarming na to.
Because of human activities like deforestation, pollution, and climate change, biodiversity is decreasing. Kapag nasisira ang ecosystems, bumababa ang diversity and some species may become extinct.
And when biodiversity is low, ecosystems are less able to recover from disasters like floods and droughts.
So in the end, tayo rin ang naapektuhan.
So what can we do to help?
One of the ways we can do to help is to protect natural habitats and conserve wildlife.
And also practice sustainability, reduce waste, avoid pollution, and support environmental programs.
And even individuals can help by spreading awareness and making responsible choices.
Small actions can create big impact. Final thoughts. Why does biodiversity matter?
It keeps ecosystems balanced and supports life.
And it protects human health and survival.
And it reminds us that we share this planet, so we must take care of it.
In the end, biodiversity is not just about nature.
It's
about life. Protect biodiversity today for a healthier society tomorrow.
Thank you for watching Gandang Gabi, Vander!
Green Giant.